In this tutorial, we are going to solve this arithmetic problem number 3. Subscribe and like us, and let's get started. To solve this problem, we have to define an order of arithmetical operations. As we know from series of video tutorials, arithmetic, we know that first of all we have to perform everything inside braces or brackets, how do you like it, and then we perform multiplication and division before plus and minus. Let's do it. First of all, we have to do everything inside brackets. We have here the biggest brackets, and inside these braces we have to perform this. This is a fraction, and in this fraction, first of all, we have to do what is inside braces. So the first is calculated. This is the first operation. Then the second operation is this. Then third operation number 3 is this, and this is operation number 4. Then we divide, and this is operation number 5, and this summation is operation number 6. Okay, then we performed everything inside these braces. Then we perform this operation number 7 and this operation number 8, and we will get an answer. So let's do it. First of all, let's rewrite it. 2.7 minus 0.8 times 2 and 1 over 3. 2.7 minus 0.8 is 1.9, and this is multiplied to 2 and 1 over 3. 1 and 9 is 19 over 10. And this fraction, this is mixed number with whole part and fractional part, is equal to 2 times 3 plus 1, 7 over 3. If you don't understand it, watch our video series called Arithmetic, and everything which is given here is explained in this video series. So this is actually the problem solving you have to watch after a series of video tutorials called Arithmetic. And so this will be 19 over 10 times 7 over 3. And let's leave it in this form. We don't want to calculate this multiplication. You will see that in the future it will be much more easier to cancel out this sort of fractions without multiplication. Why am I doing this? Because obviously this number 19 and 7, these numbers are prime numbers, and it's very likely that they will cancel out with another numbers. We will see it. Next, we will solve everything which is here. Let's do it. So 5 and 2 minus 1 and 4 divided by 3 over 70. This is 5 0.2 minus 1.4 will be 3.8, and division can be written as a multiplication to number 70 over 3. This number 38, 3 and 8, 3.8 is equal to 38 over 10, and if we divide both sides by number 2, it will be 19 over 5. And after multiplication, it will be 19 over 5 multiplied to 70 over 3. And next, we have to divide what we calculated first to what we calculated just now. And it will be 19 times 7 over 10 times 3 divided by 19 times 70 over 5 times 3. And it will be, let's rewrite it. We transform our division into multiplication, and we have to change numerator and denominator. Watch our video tutorials, as I said. And here we have a lot of cancellation. This 19 will be cancelled out by this 19. 7 is cancelled by this 70, and we will have here just 7. 5 is cancelled by this 10, and we will have here, this is actually 5 times 2, and this 5 is cancelled. 3 is cancelled by this 3, and we have, after all these cancellations, 1 over 2 times, because this is 2 times 10, because here we had 7 times 10, and 7 is cancelled out, so we have 1 over 20. And 1 over 20 is this. 1 over 20 is this. So we have to perform operation number 6, and let's do it. So 1 over 20 plus 0.125. This number is equal to 125 over 1000. And if we divide both sides by number 125, we will have 1 over 8. So we have 1 over 20 plus 1 over 8. And obviously, least common multiple of number 20 and 8 is 40. Watch our tutorials on how to find least common multiples, and it will be 40. Since 40 divided by number 20 is 2, and 40 divided by number 8 is 5, we have 2 times 1 plus 5 times 1, and 7 over 40. And 7 over 40 is, what is 7 over 40? This is our big, what is inside our big braces. And next we perform operation number 7. So we take our 7/40 and divide it by 2 and 1/2. 2 and 1/2 is equal to 2 times 2 plus 1, 5/2. And if we rewrite it, it will be 7/40. We transform division into multiplication, and we change numerator and denominator of the second fraction. It will be 2/5. Next, we perform cancellation, and since number 40 is 2 times 20, and this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, we have 7/20 times 5, or 100. So 7/100 is what we have after operation 7. Now we have to perform operation 8. And let's do it, which is plus 0.43. So we take 7/100 and write plus 0.43. And 0.43 is 43/100. And we write 7/100 plus 43/100. This is 50/100. And if we divide both sides, numerator and denominator, by number 50, it will be 1/2. And this is our final answer. Thank you very much for your attention. Like us and subscribe.